my name is Alexandra Leonova. I'm manager of medical tourism and I want to represent to you the medical surgery clinic Garvis, Dnipro City, Ukraine. Now I want to listen the review about the Garvis Clinic from patient Alec Hendrickson. He came from USA, Arizona. He passed operation 6 days ago and he lost 3 kilograms. Okay, Alan, I'm very nice to see you, and I want to ask you about how do you feel? How past the operation?
I feel good. I'm very well. Better than I expected to be.
Really? Mm-hmm. Say me, what kind of operation, bariatric operation did you do?
The gastric sleeve.
Gastric sleeve. Why you choose this kind of operation?
I've been considering some kind of gastric bypass or something, some kind of bariatric surgery for some time. And most of them seem to come with complications. I have a number of family members who have done it and had this problem or that problem. And really, this type of surgery now has become the most preferred because it's simple compared to the others and has less complications but still effective.
Mm-hmm. And maybe it's what do you think about the after post-operation period? What do you think about it?
It's going to be very different because diet is completely different. Lifestyle has to be different, but I've accepted that and ready to go day by day.
One more questions I want to ask you about your BMI. How much it was?
I think that the doctor calculated 52.
52, okay. And maybe you have some other problems with your health, or?
Well, I've always been a big person. It's a family characteristic. And because it's somewhat genetic, my body has usually been able to handle it with not too much trouble. I'm getting older, and it started to affect my health in more ways, so it was time to do something about it.
Okay, great. I wish you luck and pass everything nice. I want to ask you about why did you choose the Garvis Clinic?
My wife is from this city and knows a lot of people, and it was actually a friend of hers who's a doctor here who recommended that if we wanted to do something like this, this was maybe the only place in this city to consider doing it. Otherwise, we would have to go someplace else, further away, and maybe there's no advantage to going further away. So we came and met the staff here and talked to the doctors. We're very impressed and decided to do it.
So what can you say about the doctors, about staff, about services in this clinic?
Incredibly professional.
Incredibly professional, nice. Why, how I understand, you choose Ukraine because your wife from Ukraine, that's why?
Yeah, my wife is from here. We've had a home here for 17 years. So we used to spend a little bit of time here, and since I retired, couple of years ago. We spend a lot more time here now. So it was comfortable to do it here.
So, what your opinion about this city, about these people? How do you find this in Ukraine?
Well, it's very easy for me to be here, to function here. I don't speak Russian or Ukrainian, so that makes it more difficult, of course, but people here are willing to try to communicate, and there are a number of people who speak English here in this hospital. My wife was planning to be here with me the whole time in case I needed help with translation, but she became ill, so she had to go home. And even without her here, everyone has been wonderful and very helpful.
What can you say about the surgeon, about the Yakov Bereznytsky, about this?
Amazing. What I learned about him and his background and his experience before we decided to come here impressed me tremendously. And the way he conducts himself and the way he manages his staff is the best I've seen anywhere.
Thank you very much. I think your feedback is very important for many obese people from Europe and America, because gastric sleeve operation held at such a high level as in the Garvis Clinic at these countries costs very time more expensive. Maybe it's a good chance for them to come and make the operation of very high quality and the less price.
I think so.
And they decide too many problems with his health. Okay, thank you very much.
You're
It was
welcome.
a pleasure to meet you. Okay, good luck for your health, and I hope you will come in Ukraine and we will see again.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Contact us and we will answer on all your questions. Thank you.